because we have a system called fractional reserve banking, which means that banks can lend money that they don't actually have. It's a criminal scandal. We have counterfeiting, sometimes called quantitative easing, but counterfeiting by any other name. The artificial printing of money, which if any ordinary person did, they'd go to prison for a very long time. And yet governments and central banks do it all the time. Central banks repress the amount of interest that rates are, so we don't have the real cost of money. Thus, underneath all this, we talk loosely, in a rather cavalier fashion, do we not, about deposit guarantees. So when banks go broke through their own incompetence and chicanery, the taxpayer picks up the tab. It's theft from the taxpayer. And until we start sending bankers, and I include central bankers and politicians, to prison for this outrage, it will continue.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, the Pen Decker, here at Kung Tech Fu. And when I'm not in the dojo perfecting my totally lethal assassin skills, I'm right here talking to you guys, finding out how we can use this principle of compound interest to enrich our lives and to bring us forth into financial independence. But I wanted to have a heart-to-heart talk today, ladies and gentlemen, about the downside, the dark side, the part of investing in crypto and DeFi and all of this stuff that we don't like. And that's when we lose, ladies and gentlemen. So I just wanted to sit here and talk about why we lose and what we can do to bring that ratio down, okay? Now, the first thing we need to do is that we need to get some evidence, and we get our evidence by doing some research, and not just our own research, but the research of those that have come before us, those that are more well-versed than us, and those that we look to who we know got their own money in the project, okay? So we're gonna take a deep dive into crypto and DeFi and those things that can accentuate it, like Forex trading and or arbitrage, ladies and gentlemen. If we want to be safe or safer in that respect, there are certain things that we can do. We have to entertain things like trustless smart contracts. We have to entertain placing our money in stable coins. Why? Because we know there's no impermanent loss. We also know that when it comes to arbitrage, we have to figure out, well, first of all, what is arbitrage? Forex arbitrage is a risk trading strategy that allows retail Forex traders to make a profit with no open currency exposure. The strategy involves acting on opportunities presented by pricing inefficiencies, thus volatility. In short window, they exist. In the short window, they exist. This type of arbitrage trading involves the buying and selling of different currency pairs to exploit any pricing inefficiencies. Okay, so we understand that. Now that brings us to certain projects, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's take a quick look at this first project. Now this first project, we're going into the Binance Smart Chain, and we're looking at this project here that is XAU USD Gold, #1 in gold trading, and it's trading in pairs. Okay, cool, like that. And it goes down here and it tells us, you know, gold trading is the art of speculating with gold and this and that. You know, it's talking about sustainability, harness the power of gold and this and that. Okay, it's telling you how to invest. And I would say, ladies and gentlemen, this is, if it's legit, it's one of the easiest ways to get into trading in Forex arbitrage, okay? However, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor will I ever be. However, being that I am a DeFi guy, however, being that I am into investing, however, being that I got my own money on the line and I do have a lot of experience, I have some suggestions. And my suggestion to you is do not enter this platform until you get some evidence, okay? I really hope that this project is legit. I myself am involved in Forex gold trading. However, I want you guys to come in tune with another concept, and that concept is known as delegating responsibility. And what delegating responsibility means, it simply means that you don't have to know everything. If you have a vision, then you let those who are experts in their field fulfill that vision. If I want to turn on the light, I don't need to be an electrician. All I know is that when I flick the switch, I want the light to come on. We leave the expert work to the experts. We let the other people worry about ohms and amperage and running wires behind the wall. All we want to do is turn the light on and the thing comes on. All right, the light comes on. All right. So therefore, when we're talking about arbitrage, when we're talking about, being safe, there are things we can utilize like the Gnosis safe if we don't want to use a Ledger or a Keystone Pro. This is a multi-sig wallet that's essentially going to keep you safe. All right. So if you go down here, you go to Gnosis Safe, it's going to say the most trusted platform for digital assets. It's trusted by this one and that one. And it covers all of these blockchains. All right. Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, Arbitrum, Optimism, and the list goes on. That's one way you can utilize it. You can also utilize it in another way. You can also utilize it in the sense where, let's go over here to Ori. The Flare network has just launched. For those of you that don't know what the Flare network is, no worries. I will be covering that soon. But for those of you who do, know and understand that this Ori network is the Gnosis safe of the Flare network. All right. So we're going to continue on, ladies and gentlemen, and we're going to take a look at the big boy. And the big boy of arbitrage right now is FX Master Gold. I myself am involved in FX Master Gold. Okay. Master Gold is reliable. It has been producing for me and my financial mentors and sponsors, and it continues to do so. Now, this is gold trading, ladies and gentlemen. This is gold trading that is being utilized on FX Master Gold, and their goal is to get you 15% profit weekly. The other one we just saw with the Binance Smart Chain, if it is indeed legit, offered 2% per day. And if they're trading on the arbitrage market, you see these are 9 to 5 people, so it is Monday to Friday. There's no weekends. So that actually translates to 10% a week, which is indeed sustainable. So, but we're just going to have to stay tuned to see if they are legit. However, these guys are. And here with FX Master Gold, it goes and it gives you a little synopsis of this and that. And you see they have a team of 4 traders with 15 years of Forex experience. And if you go down, it's going to give you some instructions, okay? They're focusing on gold. Their target is 15% weekly. Now, I just wanted to talk about that very quickly because we have seen that. Notice the word is target. You see, they're not guaranteeing that. They're saying, hey, look, sometimes we're going to miss our mark. Sometimes we're going to be just beneath, and sometimes we're going to be well above, all right? I personally have seen FX Master Gold go as low as 12% per week, and I have seen them go as high as 28% in a week. That's right. So it's all good, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get involved with FX Master Gold, I'm going to leave my link down in the description. Please use my referral link for their broker, which is Absolute Markets, okay? But once you go through Absolute Markets and use my partnership code, you see, in the TradFi world, they say partnership. In the DeFi world, they say referral link. So understand that those two terms are synonymous, all right? So, yeah, you go here and you join the Gold, team, and if you follow these instructions, then you will be a part of the gold copy trading strategy and 20% profit sharing. That means, ladies and gentlemen, that you get 80%, they get 20%, and they do not get paid unless they make you money. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's what's going on with that. Now, let's take a look at something else when it comes to arbitrage. Let's take a look at one of my favorites that's been paying out 3% a day. That's right, 3% a day. And that, of course, is GeoDoz. And GeoDoz is one of my favorites because, as I've told you before, even Magic Johnson is up in this piece, you know, making a, you know, bearing witness that this thing is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. All right. So basically you have the dog here, GeoDoz, meaning dog. Okay. And let's just go back here, ladies and gentlemen, and let me find my link for you guys real quick. We're going to go back here to December 24th where I have this thing locked and stored so we can ready fire on this piece right here. I put a lot of stuff in here because I got so much stuff going on that I just don't know what to do with myself sometimes. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go into GeoDoz, and we're going to use my sponsor's link here, which is Rastafari, my main man, doing this thing on the wheels of steel, coming back. And we're just going to go over here. We're going to go here, and we're going to here, and we're going to go on in here, ladies and gentlemen, and find out what the heck is going on. Now, you got the technical engineer doing this thing here, and you got Magic Johnson up here doing this thing, and they're going to talk to you about that a little bit. And you're just going in here, and bam, you are indeed receiving 3% a day. If you go over here and you go to my strategy, you will see all of the trades that I have done previously. And now, when you go back, if you go to Quant Trade, they have revised the platform. So now you can go 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 18, 24, 3 days, 7 days, or 15 days, ladies and gentlemen. Now, to give you guys a brief synopsis, I'll put it to you like this. For every $1,000 that you put in here, you're going to make approximately $30 per day. And of course, if we cut that in half with 500, you're going to make half of $30 a day, which is approximately $15 a day. And you can milk that cow the best way you know how. All right. Now, going back, we're going to go over here and we're going to go back to the beloved Big Key wallet. And we're going to check out another platform, which is just like AmzDoge, but it's a cat. And it's on a Binance Smart Chain. How lovely is that? So, if we go over here to cat, no one understand that you are not even going to get on this platform unless you have a VPN if you are in the Americas, ladies and gentlemen. All right? So, if you're in the Americas, that's what you're going to need. All right? And that's one of the reasons why, you know, we're probably getting some things going on here. Now, let's see if we're, no, we are not connected, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go on over here and let's come on out of Hong Kong for a minute. And let's go on over here and let's refresh this page and see what we got going on. Looks like they like Hong Kong. But this is, in fact, geared towards the BRICS nations, ladies and gentlemen. And if you don't know what the BRICS nations are, the BRICS nation is an acronym, and that acronym stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And they are indeed looking to get out of the umbrella or the power structure of the 1944 Bretton Woods meeting. And they are also looking to sidestep Bretton Woods 2. That's right, the plot thickens. But if we go here, if we go to start earning, you will see, ladies and gentlemen, that I am already in this platform and I'm doing my thing. And I am liking what I am seeing because you get to choose how much money you make. You can make 2% a day. You can make 3% a day. You can make 4% a day. You can make 5% a day based upon how much money you put in. All right. So if we go here and we go down, you see that it gives you this thing. I got my reinvest button over here and we can go on down and we see that. And I could put reinvest there. Now, when you go in here, ladies and gentlemen, let us just take a quick look at this. It counts down daily. The minimum that you can put in here is 0.01 BNB, which equates to approximately just under $30, about $28, okay? But of course, the more you put in here, the more you're going to make. All right? So they are once again gearing towards the BRICS nations, ladies and gentlemen, which provides a huge arbitrage opportunity because, as it says here, let's first go here. Let's see if we can find some sort of nope, I don't think so. I'm trying to lighten it up a little for you. But anyway, if we go here, it's a decentralized platform of the largest crypto arbitrage team in the BRICS regions, ladies and gentlemen. So this provides that volatility in the BRICS regions. You see it here: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and of course South Africa. All right, now it tells you here, how does CAT work? Step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and it provides liquidity, and it shows you all of this stuff down here. Now it's a little dark, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to try and find the button to lighten it up a little for you. But you can join a platform, you can start now, you can talk about their mission, what is crypto arbitrage, it goes down to the Telegram, and all of that good stuff like that. Now if we go over here, and we go to the CAT bonus, let's see where that takes us. Now the CAT bonus should take us to the area where we can see exactly how much money you're going to earn as you put money in. Now over here, that's the language. I don't think that's taking us to where we want to be, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go over here and let's go to our mission. Now here's the mission. Here's the arbitrage. This is the Telegram. This is the BNB. This is everything we need to know of these frequently asked questions. But the main thing I wanted to show you guys was where we can find, where is that picture of how we can figure out how much we're actually going to make. All right, how much are we actually going to make here? Here we are. Now, if we take a quick look at this, ladies and gentlemen, how much can I earn with CAT? Now, if you put 0.1 BNB in, which I told you is about $28, I previously said 0.01, but you know what I'm saying, like made a little mistake there, but it's 0.1, all right, which is about $28, just under $30. If it fluctuates, if the price of BNB goes up, of course, it'll be a little more. So, you see, when you do DeFi, when you do crypto, ladies and gentlemen, you have to truly practice mindfulness, the mindfulness of the Buddha way, because it is the acting truth of the moment. So right now, 0.1 might be $28. Tomorrow, it might be $21. The next day, it might be $35. Okay, so you have to figure out what day you're in, what you're doing, and what is the acting truth of that moment. But right now, it's about $28. And 2 BNB is going to get you 3% a day. And 30 BNB is going to get you 40% a day. And 80 BNB is going to get you 5% a day. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, 5% a day. All right, so that's CAT for you. And I'll leave that description down below as well. Now, let's take another trip down this road, ladies and gentlemen, and find out what else is going on. All right, now, if you're looking for arbitrage pretty much at its best, one of the things that we can do is we can go into here, into something that we really haven't paid attention to in a while, which is our TronLink wallet, ladies and gentlemen. And when we go into our TronLink wallet, we go over here and lo and behold, look what we got here. We got something called Daisy. Wow. Daisy, ladies and gentlemen, is a global AI smart contract that you can decentralizedly earn money nonstop. Get it, get it. DAISY is also an acronym. It stands for Decentralized AI Systems. Okay? So I myself, ladies and gentlemen, happy to say that I am on tier 2 right now. And if you go in here in the Daisy, this is something where you can get in, you can put your friends down, and if anybody joins up underneath you, let's say if we go to tier 1 here, you see I got somebody over here, and the minute somebody joined under me, I immediately got $10 shot into my wallet, you know? I think that's what that thing over here means. Yeah, right there, that rewards. I got those rewards right there, you see? So, right now I'm on tier 2, ladies and gentlemen, and it is all good in the neighborhood. They previously tried crypto, and because, you know, right after they did the crypto, the bear market hit, and it didn't do quite so well. However, they didn't give up. They utilized the next vehicle in the path of compound interest, and they went into Forex, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. So if we go over here to fund and we look at Forex, we're going to see that the tables truly turned when we went into Forex trading. This is right. We accentuate our DeFi with Forex arbitrage trading. I'm into 6, count them, 6 arbitrage platforms right now, and it is going lovely, ladies and gentlemen. So we are going down here, and if you look down here, you have your current profit, you got your blockchain fee, and then of course I got right here, I got $10.56 right here, and of course you can only take out after $20 or more, but you really don't want to take out, because the more money you have in your account, the more money they have to flip. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's that one, and it's great. So I'm gonna leave that link if you want to get down, but just know that if you are in the Americas, you are going to need a VPN in order to access this one as well. All right. Now we're going to take a look at one last one. And this last one we're going to take a look at, ladies and gentlemen, is called CMB. All right. Now CMB, I don't even know where the hell that is. But we are going to take a look, ladies and gentlemen, and we are going to try and take, matter of fact, let's just do this. Let's just go on in here and let's just type in CMB and see what the heck comes up. Let's take a quick break here, ladies and gentlemen, while I find it. Okay, found it. That's right, where we are. And of course, as you can see up top right there, I came under my boy, Banker Gerald. That's right. And if you don't watch Banker Gerald, then you're missing out. So yeah, that's my man, Banker Gerald. Make sure you guys watch him on his YouTube channel. He's always bringing the boom banging projects for arbitrage, Forex, and all of that other good stuff. But this one right here, ladies and gentlemen, is CMB. And if we look right here in the CMB platform, we're going to see right here, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am in this platform. And this is a platform, CoinMarketBull is what it stands for. That's what, if in case you were thinking or asking, that's what it stands for, CoinMarketBull. All right. Now, this is a great project, ladies and gentlemen. And this project truly deserves its own, just like FX Master Gold. This is a really good project. I have a lot of faith and hope in this project. I've already paid. There's a $50 annual, meaning yearly fee for the trading bot. And this is a platform where they want you to take your rewards. So let's say you put 500, 1,000, 5,000, whatever, because I know everybody out there ain't broke, but let's say you put 500 or 1,000 in here and you make some profit, all right? Now, what it's going to do is it's going to continue to trade your initial, and in order for you to experience the compound effect, you're going to have to withdraw your rewards and then redeposit it again if you choose to. You could take the money and run. And let it build up some more. But if you want to compound your money, you want to take out that little 50, 120, 500, whatever it is, you want to take it out and then redeposit it right back in, ladies and gentlemen. And that's how you will compound your money. And then this way the platform will continuously make money off of that. So in other words, not only are you compounding your money, but you are also simultaneously protecting your investment, ladies and gentlemen. So these are some of the things that I have gone through, ladies and gentlemen, and these are some of the platforms that I have gone through. And there is also one other platform that I have gone through, and it is called the iFreak Arbitrage System. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. One of my other sponsors, Bright David, put me up on this one. It's the same guy that got me into, well, he didn't actually get me into Daisy, but he's been basically giving a lot of information on Daisy. So I kind of look to him as my sponsor when it comes to things like Daisy. So, yeah, I followed him on this one too. So let's take a quick look at that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like that website is experiencing some technical difficulties, but I'm sure that they will be up, back, and running in no time. And when they do, we are going to give them the credit that they are due, and we are going to do a nice little segment on them, but it's called Afrique Arbitrage Systems, and you might want to look at that yourself if you get the gumption to. But that's about it for right now, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sitting here tripping over my words, but it's all good. This is what we do. This is how we stay safe, and I'm going to continue to bring you guys boombastic arbitrage, Forex, DeFi, TradFi under the umbrella of DeFi and the whole nine. So just stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Breathe, babe, be bold, and be safe. And like my boy Crypto Mischief always says, don't get wrecked.